Tutorial 15. Hello and welcome. The following tutorial explains how to monitor online data. The Monitor Online Data window presents the model's data table records. You can view this window by clicking the monitor icon in the model's main screen. This screen displays, as a default, the model's last 100 records, arranged by date, in descending order. It is possible to change the number of records, the dates, and the order in which they are arranged by clicking the fields at the top of the screen. On the right, you can see the statistics of the number of records in the table, and the time needed for online processing of every record. This number depends on the strength of the computer and the number of models running concurrently. Checking the Follow Process Online box updates the presented records with every new record added to the model. Please note that the icons on the left enable the user to export the presented data to an Excel file, send it via mail, and carry out various classifications for selected records. The last button from the left enables you to display a line chart related to a selected record. When the record is selected, if you click on this button, the system will display a 24-hour line chart centralized selected record. The chart window will be explained in Tutorial 16. At the bottom of the screen, located several fields that give options to filter the displayed data. Option 1. Filter according to Boolean algebra expression. For example, you can filter all records with a measurement of CL value equals to 0. Option 2. Display records with a delay time between sampling time and processing time. Option 3. Display records marked not for learning. The classification tool enables the user to filter out records that should not be included, for example, in the learning set. Records selected for classification may be dates based on Boolean conditions, which look like the where part of an SQL statement. Thank you. We hope you have found this tutorial helpful and clear. If not, or if you have any additional suggestions or comments regarding this tutorial, please submit your remarks via our website.